What happens if you put a vape in checked luggage? Well, let's find out. Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome to Best Travel Luggage. I am your guide to all things TSA and travel related. So can you put a vape in checked luggage? Well, the simple answer is no. So let's keep going and find out why. But first, we have to know how a vape works. It's important to understand this because this lithium-ion battery, which is a part of your vape, is a very important reason for this video. Your parts also include atomizers, coils, tanks, reservoirs, and mouthpieces. So the different types of vapes are your e-cigs, vape pen pods, mod boxes. All of these have lithium-ion batteries, and every one of them will need to go into your carry-on luggage. TSA regulations say they do not allow vapes in checked luggage because of the lithium-ion battery. There it is again. Lithium-ion batteries can explode because of the pressure in the cargo hold, and they can start a fire. And you know, none of us want a fire in a plane when we're up in the air. So how can you fly with a vape? You can pack all vapes in your carry-on bag. And I have a few tips on how to do that in a bit here. But first, what other types of things can you pack with your vape? We're talking about how to pack accessories. Some vapes have coils. You can pack these in your carry-on luggage. Most people have juices unless they're a disposable vape. And you can pack that according to the 3-1-1 liquids rule. If it's 3.4 ounces or less, it can go in a quart-sized Ziploc baggie with all of your other liquids, and you put it down in your carry-on bag. If it's greater than 3.4 ounces, you can pack it in your checked luggage. And as far as batteries go, all lithium-ion batteries must go in your carry-on bag. So how do you pack a vape in your carry-on bag? Well, you empty the chamber so that the juice does not leak out, because the pressure in the air sometimes causes that juice to leak. You wrap it up in a couple of paper towels and you put it down in a baggie, zip it up, and put it down in your carry-on. This protects all your other stuff from the leakage of the juice. So there's just some important things I want to go over before we close. We are not talking about vapes that hold weed. We are talking about nicotine vapes only. And you must follow the 3-1-1 liquids rule when you put juice in your carry-on. And you can leave the juice in the chamber, but it might leak a little bit, but you will have it protected in your paper towels and your baggie. So just for a quick recap here, all vapes must go in carry-on luggage because of the lithium-ion battery. All juice over 3.4 ounces must go in your checked bag. Under 3.4 ounces, you can put them in your carry-on bag along as a 3-1-1 liquids rule. And I will leave a link in the description below on flying with weed. So that concludes our talk for today. And if you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. Or comments, just leave them in the section below. Be sure and check the description for the link of the full post and the information on how to fly with weed. And I want to thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. And until we meet again, you have a wonderful day.